Yes. Alright, we're not surrounded. Good, I was crossing some people and just did a video of the nature or the surrounding viewpoints. Now I'm stopping at the bridge. I'm gonna follow the red trail, see what I'm gonna come across here. It's a good thing to know the mapping, which way you're going. If it's pointed out to you or given to you, it's always good to know and interesting what it shows, what animals are around in nature, and what trails you can follow, how big they are. Now, I'm finding myself on top of a wooden bridge on my e-bike. I'm gonna do an adventure on the Lozerheide, one of the adventure points across the canal, and a lot of nature, so I definitely want to check it out. So, Nature Cruz here, and let me show you how it looks like on my e-bike. Yeah, let's adventure together. There's still some nice, beautiful sunshine sighting through the tree lines, and that's also really beautiful to come across when you're around here. Some mini games. It's about a salamander. Let me just park my bike a little bit like this. Voila. The Alps water salamander. Are they existing here? It's super cool to know. You can pause the video and read all of these if you like to. It's the main reason why I want to discover and explore, because we are exploring. Some more pictures. Okay. Once I'm done, I'm gonna read these myself in the video to save up time. Excuse me. Oh. Still fresh around these waters. Still like a pavilion. It's not too steep. I really hope I can like spot a salamander, because these are one of my favorites. My favorite animal, because they're so cool looking. I don't know if they're good as a pet, but still around these natures, it's so cool how they catch their prey and walk over the waters or like their paws. Yeah, still. A little bit dangerous, but in the open field should be alright. You can take this trail all around. Yeah. So let's go ahead. At number 3. See everything good. Okay guys, I'm having a blast making these videos and showing you around. Today I had a chance to finally come up here. It's 1 April after Easter. We celebrated and yeah, joining 100% once we can, while we can. Being thankful, grateful, emptying the mind and all kind of stuff. With some stream up here. What it is. So it gets wider from a small entrance. Cool. It's open valley. Yeah. Let's continue for a second. Hope you're all having an awesome day. And it's nice to have been talking to you all. Like I said, really enjoying this. And what's more peaceful, beautiful than the nature itself, than this surrounding. Especially when I'm wearing green, I'm fitting in the environment. What a sunshine. I did not expect such beautiful sunshine today. This is going to be possibly, sorry for the bad news, raining the rest of the week. So I'm kind of blinded by the sunlight, but I can still maintain my path next to this beautiful waters. I'm looking for salamanders in the meanwhile. Salamander. The Alp water salamander, to be precise. Should be around here. You can also download the app for like mini games and help you spotting and do all kinds of stuff. Oh, some path with a sign got blocked into a deeper wood. Looks kind of swampy, but we're gonna next to these waters. Yeah. A beaver can do this, or it's like a dam. Some grass in between. A little stream. That's awesome. So awesome. I don't know if you can see the sun. Yes. Catch the sun. Yeah. Living in the nature. Well, it was, for me, 35 minutes riding my bicycle until I arrived here. There is a parking lot for your car and all these signs. I took pictures of them, so I'll make a post. You can also check it out on my Instagram. All these shorts videos, mainly I posted on YouTube or edited on. I try to keep you updated on my Instagram also. These beautiful sightings. Look at that view. This is